This is how you can recover and read deleted messages on TikTok. With this app, whenever anyone sends you a message, you receive it, the message gets deleted, this app will recover the message, be it picture, video, voice note, audio, or a GIF. This app will recover the message. So head to the Play Store now, install this app, open it, and give the necessary permissions for this app to function very well. This is the app here. It allows you to recover deleted messages. Since we are interested with TikTok, we'll be choosing TikTok. Just tick TikTok there. This is how it works. You receive a message, the message gets deleted, this message will get recovered. It will show you the time, the person who sent this message, and the date. So give the necessary permissions, allow notification access, and you are good to go. Whenever anyone sends you a message on TikTok and deletes it, you get to see the message. So once you launch the app, if there is any deleted message, it will be shown here. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.